Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to look at the having a quick introduction of multiplication of a quadratic expression with an integer. Okay, so in this case, right, we are going to apply the distributive law of multiplication. Alright, so in this case here, let's have a look. So if we have a times this bracket of the quadratic expression x squared plus y squared, and for these 4 or 5 examples here, you will see that we just need to distribute by multiplying the a to all the terms. So if it is negative a, it is the same. I multiply in to each of the term, they will give me the respective value. Okay, so this is basically what this video is trying to share. Yeah, and so this distributive law even works for 3 terms. You just need to multiply into all the terms. Okay, so what happens if the integer is at the right hand side, like this case? Well, it works as well, meaning that I can also do this, or you can even see this as a times x squared plus y squared, and after which you can multiply in and you will get the same answer. Yeah. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.